Discover your musical potential. Yannis Kapa guitar. This is Yannis Kapa. Welcome to another week's video. Today we're going to learn C minor bar chord. Okay, everybody. So C minor bar chord. So what you do is you put your first finger on the 3rd fret, then you put your second finger on the 4th fret, 2nd string, then you put your 3rd finger on the 4th string, 5th fret, and then you put your pinky finger on 3rd string, 5th fret. And this is the sound you want to get. Always make sure fingertips, like you see over here, make sure you use them like hammers, okay? Don't let your fingers touch the adjacent strings, okay? And always make sure you good grip on the thumb. You see here how it's in the middle of the fretboard, okay? Make sure you leave space here, because that gives flexibility on your fingers and better control over the notes that you want to play. And this is it, C minor bar chord. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, press a like, and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next time.